Good afternoon. Welcome back to our math online class. Okay, so again, this is teacher LM. All right, so yesterday, kids, we studied number 9. Okay, so yesterday we studied number 9. And for this afternoon, we are going to learn a new number, right? All right, so let's count first how many balls are there. Okay, so everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, so there are 9 balls. Okay, let's spell number 9, class. Okay, 9 I spell N-I-N-E. 9. Okay? Good. So, I know that this morning you learned from Teacher Anita what number we're going to study for this afternoon. I know that you have already an idea. Okay, so from this morning class, you learned from Teacher Anita number 10, right? So number 10. So 10 I spell T-E-N. Okay, one more time, kids. How do you spell number 10? 10 I spell T-E-N. Okay, so this is how number 10 looks like. Okay, so in the next slide, we are going to count from 0 to number 10. Okay, kids, are you ready? Okay, let's start. So let's start with number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great. So again, kids, let's count one more time. Everybody, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this afternoon we are going to continue learning about number 10. Okay, let's start. Okay, everybody, again, this is number 10. Okay, let's count how many leaves are there. Okay, everyone, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10. Okay, one more time. Let's practice more. Okay, class, let's count how many frogs are there. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 frogs. Okay, last one. Last one. Okay, how many cupcakes are there? Okay, everybody, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 cupcakes. Okay, class, so that is all about number 10. So I hope you are now good when it comes to counting number 10. Okay, so goodbye, class. That would be all for this afternoon. And don't forget to do your worksheet. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.